Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Puerto Rican version of eggnog. We call it coquito. First, we're going to start with our spices tea. You're going to need cinnamon stick, cloves, and star anise. We're going to boil this for 10 minutes. Today I'm going to show you two different ways to do coquito, one with eggs and one without eggs. In the description box below, you will find all the ingredients and measurements. For first coquito, you're going to need coconut milk, condensed milk, cream of coconut, evaporated milk, vanilla, cinnamon powder, the tea that we made earlier, and a pinch of nutmeg. We're going to put all the ingredients in our blender and enjoy. For our second coquito, we're going to add all the ingredients of the first recipe, but we're going to also add 3 egg yolks. You're going to need evaporated milk, condensed milk, coconut milk, cream of coconut, the tea that we made earlier, cinnamon, vanilla, and a pinch of nutmeg. And 3 egg yolks. Alright, so in a pot, you're going to add your coconut milk, evaporated milk, and your tea. We're going to bring this to a low simmer. Now that our milk is pretty hot, we're going to temper our eggs. So we're going to add a little bit of the milk in a separate bowl, and we're going to stir it constantly. If your eggs turn into scrambled eggs, you got to throw out the entire mixture and start all over again. By doing this step, you will assure that your eggs will not turn into scrambled eggs. So now carefully, you're going to add your egg mixture to your milk. Now let's add our milk mixture and the remaining ingredients to a blender, and you're ready to serve. Today we want to shower with love, Abigail Mercado. Thank you for your beautiful comment. And oh yes, look how beautiful our coquito mixture looks. Put it in the fridge, let it chill for a couple hours. When you're ready to serve, make sure you mix well before serving. But yes, this is your coquito, ready to serve. Many people ask, what's the difference between coquito with eggs and without eggs? Usually the coquito with eggs is a little bit more richer and creamier. So basically it's up to you. The coquito without eggs is more watery. But at the end of the day, both of them taste really delicious. Now, the coquito with eggs, you got to consume pretty rapidly because, of course, it has eggs. And I forgot to mention, this is a virgin coquito version. You can always add half a cup of rum or more to your liking. Please feel free to drop me your comments. I get really excited to read those. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.